How to find your user ID in Kling AI. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are using Kling AI and looking for your user ID, then first of all, launch the Kling AI app open. Log into your account like you normally do, and from the home page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on My Space. After you are inside your profile page, go ahead and tap on the ID option from the top, and then you will see your user ID. You can tap the copy button right next to the ID to copy your user ID on your device's clipboard and paste it wherever you need it. And that's how you successfully locate your Kling AI user ID. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.